We are currently filming in the Arboretum Teaching Nursery, which is a one-of-a-kind facility where we do all of our plant growing for retail sales to the public. So this is something that's student-run and volunteer-led, that they are working with me and a couple of other part-time staff to make all of these plant sales that you see happen. So this is the Linum lewisii or Linum lewisii blue flax, which is a California native sunny perennial. It reproduces itself and from seed, and you can see the seed pod starting to form here. Yarrow or Achillea is a great, easy, sunny perennial. I would do things like Erigeron or coastside daisies. Solidago is a great yellow fall bloomer. This is California goldenrod. So just as far as perennials, like those are some really good ones. Trees and bushes, there's redbuds and coffee berries, there's manzanitas, and there's even native verbenas that are more shrubby that do very, very well here. And so this is the Heteromeles arbutifolia or California toyon. This is what the Hollywood is named for, is for this particular plant right here, the hollyberries, because it does have kind of a serrated leaf. Flowers really heavily right about now, and then berries throughout the fall. The birds, you should see the birds just getting tanked on these things, eating as many berries as they possibly can and getting crazy, but really easy evergreen shrub. So I think that the starting point right now, since we're not likely to get much more rain, to remove the grass. I mean, there are tons of resources out there on the internet about how to do it and the different methods that you can use to remove your grass. To not water it really for the rest of the summer, I mean, it's going to be hard for a lot of these weeds or any of your grass that you remove to come back and grow. So you can kind of do the prep now to get ready for fall planting. I think that some of the most important things that homeowners can do to encourage the use of drought-tolerant plants is when you're at your local nurseries is ask for these names. Equisetaeformis, or coral fountain, they get a couple of feet tall. They can be like 6 feet wide, but it's really just not much any taller than about 2 to 3 feet. But with a show like that, the hummingbirds, you should just watch them. They just go crazy. Myself as a nursery manager, I want to grow what you want to buy. I also want to grow really great stuff for you. And somewhere in there's a sort of a collaboration that you and I can come to of, this is the plants I'm looking for, and I go, hey, that's great. This one will do exactly what you want it to do, and it's a really drought-tolerant plant. Plant from the down underside, so that's Leucospermum. This one looks like maybe it's high gold. Beautiful plants. Proteas are pretty phenomenal. Show off. But if you want your local nurseries to carry more native, drought-tolerant plants from around the world, ask for them. And ask for them again, and then ask for them again, until you start seeing these things happen. And the nursery owners, managers, they will start complying with your wishes.